Hey guys, this is Steve from Kopf Percussion. I got something I want to share with you guys today. I just finished this Cajón. It's a snare Cajon from my S-Series. The reason I want to share it with you is because the stock that I used, I found it had this amazing coloration in it and some mineral deposits and stuff. And after I finished it, it was stunning. And it was pretty cool because I was able to keep the grain pattern the same all the way around it. As you can see, I was able to keep the grain pattern continuous all the way around the drum. It's just, man, this thing looks really nice. But it doesn't just look nice, it sounds great too. This is sort of a one-off drum, I guess. So if there's anybody that's interested in it, I'm sure this isn't going to last very long. So just reach out to me if you're interested in this drum, and I'll talk to you guys later.